welcome. This is Shirisha Cherlapalli. Today I am going to share the complete test analysis of the Capgemini, which is held on 13th August 2020. Now I am gonna share you the time given to each round and type of questions which were given. So before proceeding, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for all to get instant notifications of my every video. Let's see the first round, that is pseudocode round. Guys, this information I completely found it from outside, so I hope 99% of this information may useful who are going to attempt the Capgemini test. Let's start. The exam was on CoCube's platform and the first round was technical pseudocode round. It consisted of 8 theory questions and 15 pseudocode questions. And the time allotted for this round was 24 minutes approx. And the theory based questions were quite simple, so better to solve these questions first before going to solve MCQ based pseudocode questions. And 10 out of 15 pseudocode questions consisted of AND, OR, XOR, right shift, left shift operators were used as the terminating conditions for loop. So be prepared with that type of pseudocode questions. Here I gave a theory question which is asked in the exam. So, which is the data structure in which every element is given a priority? And the answer is priority queue. So, be prepared with the data structures and etc. to attempt this round because it's an elimination round. So, efficiently use your time to prepare. So, if you clear this round, you will be writing next round, that is MCQ based English communication round, and also called we also called as verbal ability. This is also an elimination round. Now after the pseudocode round, if you crack the exam, then only you are allowed to give verbal ability test, otherwise you will get the option for logout. And the English comprehension consisted of total 30 questions and the time given for this round was 30 minutes. 30 questions in 30 minutes, this means you have 1 minute per each question. So these are the type of questions which were asked in the exam. 4 direct to indirect questions and 1 indirect to direct speech question, 3 passages, synonyms and antonyms, and next PQRS type of questions, that is sentence arrangement questions. As I have already mentioned, this is an elimination round. And next it is the third round, that is gamified aptitude round. Again it's an elimination round. And after the verbal ability round, gamified aptitude test exam was there for almost 45 minutes. So there was 4 things, that is grid challenge, motion challenge, inductive challenge and deductive challenge. So I have given one grid challenge example which was there in exam. So there was 3 levels. In level 1, you have to remember 2 dots. And in level 2, 3 dots, in level 3, 5 dots. All you need to remember is the position of dots, that from first dot to last dot at which it was positioned. As the grid was displayed for 3 seconds, then remember the first dot and then it displays the other grid, and again after 7 seconds it displays the previous grid. Then you need to remember the second dot. As like this, you need to remember the dot positions, and finally you have to represent the pattern of the dots positions correctly. As your level increases, the number of dots you need to represent increases. So it tests your grasping power and memory. After this round, there was a non-elimination round, that is behavioral competency profiling round. Here it tests your personality kind of thing. They are going to test what kind of person you are. So there was 100 questions and there is no time limit for this round. So you can take your own time. And there was no correct or incorrect answers there. All you need to do is answer the questions according to your personality. And don't take it easy because all your answers are evaluated by the Capgemini. So they are going to evaluate your mind and yourself completely. So careful while answering. Here is the examples. Do you want to work alone? Do you want to make new friends? So they want to know how did you mingle with people and what type of person you are. Just they want to know more about you in this round. So once you cleared gamified aptitude round, we are going to face the interviews. It is clear. So the interviews were scheduled. I don't have the information about that right now. If I get it, sure I'll share the further. So this is the information I'm providing right now. So hope it is helpful. Please subscribe the channel and hit bell icon for all to get all my new videos notifications.